Alright, this is going to be the little dude's first fire. Got the water on. The gas bubbles hard. Got oil in it. Let's see what she does. See if I could pull this without it rolling down the hill and dropping my phone. Let it get warmed up here in the choke on. It's pretty cold out today. I think that's a water fountain. Seems to be idling a little low right out of the box. I'd assume it's warmed up by now. The water's semi-warm. And there it goes. So, started on the third pull. It runs. It's a little rough. I don't know, maybe it's not warmed up enough, or maybe I need to adjust the off idle here a little bit. I'm going to play with it a little more.